Hi guys, welcome to your maths video for this week. Hope you've been enjoying the maths learning so far at home. I just want to say a huge well done to everyone who sent us in some work so far. We've really enjoyed looking at your maths, and also we've seen that you've really been working hard at it and you've really been using your problem solving skills and lots of other maths skills that we've learnt in school. So well done. If you haven't sent us any yet, then try and send some this week. We really like seeing it, marking it and giving you feedback. So this week is all about adding and subtracting. Now we've done lots of that in school, haven't we guys? So I know you're all experts at it already. So on White Rose there's 4 lessons, okay, like normal, okay? And I will talk you through each day and give you some top tips. So for day 1, it's all about adding and subtracting tens. Now we've done lots of counting in tens, haven't we, from any number as well. So if you need to, you can put units and tens, your U and T on top of the number, can't you? Now on White Rose they call units ones, okay, but it's the same thing. Units and ones are the same. We just prefer to call them units. Okay, so on there, if you see the word ones, it means units, okay? So remember, if you're adding on tens, you're counting up in tens, aren't you? And remember, the units stay the same. And it's just tens go up by 1 each time, don't they? So let's have a go. So imagine we were starting on 32. We've got 2 units in there, haven't we? So that will stay the same. So we'd go 32. Okay, so their next one would be 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. And you can hear the 2 staying the same each time, can't you? Okay, so that's for adding. So remember, if we're taking away a 10 each time, subtracting a 10, it's the same thing, but we're counting down now, aren't we? The units are going to stay the same, and we're going to take away 1 10 each time. So imagine we start on 82, 72, 62, 52, 42, okay, and so on. And you can hear again that the unit stays the same. So just remember that. Okay, for day 2, you're going to be adding 2-digit numbers together, okay? So you might have something like 34 add 28. Okay, now just remember, when you're adding, you're allowed to start with the biggest number. And that's easier because then you've got less to add on. And on this sheet, on White Rose, they haven't got any blank number lines, which we've been using all year. So I would suggest to do these, rather than trying to do them in your head, or do another method, draw yourself a blank number line. And you could do that on a bit of scrap paper, any old bit of paper you've got, an envelope that you're not using, okay? Draw yourself a blank number line, because that's what we've been doing. And remember, when you're adding, you start on the left, do your tens first, your jumps of 10 first, and then do your units after, okay? And remember to count carefully. So that's for day 2. Day 3 is the same, but you're going to be subtracting. Okay, so again, the same thing. Draw yourself a blank number line. Remember, when we're subtracting, we start on the other side, don't we? So we start on the right so that we can jump backwards. And again, do your tens first, take away your tens first, and then do your unit jumps after, okay? And remember, when we're taking away tens, we count in tens. And when we're taking away units, we count in ones. Okay. The last day, day 4, is using number bonds to 100, okay? So just like you did last week, number bonds to 10 and 20. Now they're just bigger. They're to 100, okay? You might be able to use your bonds to 10 to help you with them, okay? Now remember, all of these you don't need to upload to Purple Mash. You can the answer sheets are there for you, so you can mark them yourself and see how you do, okay? And I'll also be putting on the challenge sheet onto Purple Mash, and that's what we'd like you to have a go at, and then upload it back onto your home learning folder, guys, okay? We can't wait to see it. Good luck. Speak soon. Bye.